That's Mike from Custom Cruise. Here we are. Unbelievable but true. I managed to get hold of a clam-shell set of bags. They have been repaired, but I also got these are actually brand new guards, and as you can see, the struts, straight struts, and also the mounting system, and the bags. So got the keys, you know, got some new locks, cost next to nothing, but I've actually got the original FXRP light bar as well, or so I'm told. Okay, my particular bike's got the ducktail fender, so like the RS, so we're going to see what we're going to do with that. It shouldn't be a problem at all, but cracking nick. You know, scratches, obviously these things are like fucking 30-40 years old, whatever they are, 50 years old, so as you can see, not too bad. They've been repaired inside, but you know, I did know that when I bought them. But back wing ready to go on as well. Got the police boards, and I got some beautiful rear boards as well, so pretty well be able to turn this thing into a proper FXRP. Well, these are actually off an FXRD, I believe. The screen is definitely off an FXRD because it's got a radio built in, speakers and stuff, and air vents. But cracking bit of kit. Very good buy off the dreaded eBay from Ralph, who's going back to Poland. But got to admit, I never thought I'd actually get a set of these at sensible money in the States. Absolutely mental money. The fairing's $3.5–4 grand, you know, crazy money. But if you want the real deal, unfortunately you do have to pay the money. And let's be honest, the way they're going up, this is a Iraqi made for a top box, very strong, real solid thing, you know, solid welded. And I've also got the FXRT rack as well, you know, for use with a sissy bar, the little one, which is straight bars. Okay, but if you're interested in any great FXR stuff, this isn't for sale. But want any advice or big motors, Baker trannies, you know, stuff like that, spherical bearing kits for the swinging arm or Mechmachek swinging arms, give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.